Metalia beach. This is the entrance to Metalia beach, but be careful of ahead cars. Oh, there is very interesting sightseeing. You can stop here and make some photos. Before this monument, from the left side we'll find very good bench. I mean bench with good picture sightseeing. On the gallery must take photo here. And this is beach Metalia from the up position. Metalia because maybe 8 years ago there was a steel plant which was closed. Small composition of zodiac signs is being made for marble. Before, in this area there was metallurgical plant which was closed, as far as I remember, in 1936, even before the Second World War. So we can see the earth, the ground is here is red a little bit. Yes, it means that there are a lot of metal substances from which the metal is being made. So we can come inside to see, but no, not interesting. This is the rest of metallurgical steel plant. It was closed almost 100 years ago. This beach, umbrellas, beds, one cabin, a dressing cabin and shower. Yes, it's good. Small beach, but there is a shower, green one. Cafe, and we can see here the rest of seaport. I think when here was the metallurgical plant, there was some small seaport, and the ships came here like asphalt. But now, after almost 100 years, it was all destroyed. So we just see the rest. So what we have under the water, some rocks or stones. So when you go to the water, please be careful because you can slip, fall down. Yeah. But you can see there are some special packs with sand to go to the sea. By the way, it's a good idea. So I think, as I said, before the 1936 there was some small ports where the ships loaded and unloaded raw material, steel, and we have the rest of this port. It's very dangerous to go to the sea, but in corner of this cafe you put specs with sand, so you can use the specs to enter, to how to say to pass out this dangerous zone and to use in the sea. I personally don't recommend this beach. Why? Because I tried to swim here and use this bags with sand, but when the last bag finished, there are still a lot of there is this rock, very steep rock, and you can fall down and break your arms. So plage Metalia only for strong people, not for children, not for old people. So